All right, everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're just going to talk about the coronavirus and all the new Maryland mandates that's affecting everything that I've been wanting to do with shake and bake. All right, everyone, just wanted to do a quick video on the ramifications of all the mandates that have come down because of the coronavirus and COVID-19. So I know we're all being affected by this. I just wanted to do, a quick update on where I'm at, what I'm doing, and what the way forward is. So I'm sure some of you are also subscribed to Incredible Hemi. He talks about getting some of his stuff done by Steve. I also use Steve. So the April 4th install of the ported heads is also on hold. And that's kind of twofold. One, the latest mandate in Maryland is stay at home. The only places you are authorized to go is back and forth to work or back and forth to the grocery store. So that's why I'm not driving and doing this video at the same time. I am adhering to the mandates as much as I can, and I'm not going to go outside of those mandates unless I have to. But so also New Jersey, they're also under a lockdown order as well. So Steve, he can't get out from his house. And like Incredible Hemi said, he doesn't have all the tools and lifts and everything necessary to do some of this stuff at his house. So I talked to Steve, and we just, we came to the conclusion, let's just cancel the 4th, and whenever things calm down, we'll go ahead and reschedule the heads install. Also, I got a little unboxing for everyone, and let's just go ahead and go do that now. All right, everyone, don't mind my my messy garage, but we're gonna go ahead and do this unboxing real quick. All right, let's see if I can do this one-handed here. All right, man, they wrap these things up pretty good. Let's see. All right, so what we have here is the on-car adjustable upper control arm from BMR Suspension. So that's also going to help with the launch and help keep things planted on the ground. So obviously I got the second one that's still in the box, but again, this is the BMR Suspension UTA 112R upper trailing arms on car adjustable. So that's one thing that we got. Let's sneak into the sneaky box and see what else we have. All right, try and do this with one hand. All right. Let's see what we got here. And of course, they're also individually wrapped. also we have the lower control arms. Also, again, to help stop wheel hop, keep the rubber to the road and keep her planted. So we got the upper trailing arms, lower control arms, and we've got one more thing in here that's also going to help us when it comes to suspension. We got some new springs. All right, these are the springs from Dodge from the 1320 Scat pack. So these are supposed to be a little bit softer springs than the ones that come on the RT, and we're gonna see how they do. Hopefully with these three things, that'll stiffen up the suspension from the controlling arm perspective and soften it up from a spring perspective, and hopefully that'll help us keep the wheels planted, keep the rubber on the road, and get a little squat so we can lower that 60 foot and hopefully get into definitely back into the 11s, and hopefully back into get into you know, somewhere around the mid 11s. So we all know that's the plan with Shake and Bake, is to get her into the mid 11s. So let's go back to the car and finish up this video. So all right, we're back in the car, just sitting down chilling. You know what, let's do a cold start while we're sitting in here. Why not? At least start her up, let her warm up for a little bit. But so that's gonna do it for this video. If you've already subscribed, I appreciate the support, appreciate you coming back. If you're new to the channel, please, if you like the content, hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you get notifications when I upload new content. And yeah, we're growing pretty steady. We're up around 650-ish subscribers now. You know, my next goal is to hit that 750, and hopefully we'll just keep on growing. So the more of you that, you know, help out, subscribe, share this stuff on your social media, you know, I highly appreciate it to help, you know, help the channel grow, help get more subscribers. You know, hopefully there's a bunch more 5.7 Hemi Dodge folks out there that could use the instructional videos, and, you know, just the sit back, relax, and watch some good times going on. So again, appreciate everyone stopping by, taking some time out of their day, especially in this time of the you know, the coronavirus and COVID-19. I've said this in a couple videos. I hope, you know, you, your family, and friends are safe and have not contracted the virus. And if you know someone, or you got a family member that has, let you know that, you know, they're in my thoughts, in my prayers, to for a speedy recovery, and nothing serious comes out of it. So again, that's going to do it for this one. Until next time.